Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So for this video, let's talk about how to fix this game pick keep crashing on Steam. First thing I'm going to do right now is make sure that you go to your library. Now disclaimer, I do not have that game, but the process I'm going to do right now is perfectly the same. So let's just use this NBA 2K25 as a example. So select the pick game right there, go to the settings on the right side, look for the one that says properties. In here, look for the one that says installed files. Click on verify integrity of game files, and once that's done and the problem still persists, go for browse. In here, look for the one that says NBA, the application itself, or in your case, pick. Click for the one right there, right click here, and make sure run it as administrator. So those two steps right there should fix your problem. Now for example, the problem still persisting, look for the one on your computer, type in device manager. And in here, look for the one that says display adapters, click on the update driver, and you'll be good to go. Now let's just say that doesn't fix it. Open up your browser, and if you're using AMD here, type in your AMD drivers right there, like so. Perfectly in here. Go to their website, and make sure just type in what kind of AMD drivers you have. If I select graphics right there, look for your graphics card right there, perfectly, and then choose your update version. Because sometimes the one in here, device manager, doesn't really do the trick. Now if you're NVIDIA, of course, the process is perfectly the same. Just type in NVIDIA drivers, like so, and look for the official website, and look for your product right here. It's gonna be easy as that. Alright?